The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, keyless entry, cruise control, keyless start, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener, rear defrost, MP3 player, trip computer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.